I sold bits, I sold raw.
Ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer? It's not just what they earn, it's how they save and budget smarter than anyone else. In this video, I'll break down millionaire money habits you can copy today to grow your wealth faster than ever. So hit that like button and let's jump in. First, let's bust a myth. Most people think millionaires blow money on fancy cars, big mansions, and luxury brands every day. But here's the truth. Most millionaires are actually surprisingly frugal. Many drive used cars, live below their means, and buy practical things instead of flashy stuff. They know that every dollar saved can be invested to grow. Here's a surprising stat for you. Over 60% of millionaires stick to a strict monthly budget. They track their spending, set limits, and adjust where needed. Another one? Most millionaires rarely buy brand new cars. They know cars lose value the moment you drive them off the lot. Instead, they buy reliable used cars and invest the money they save. That's how they stay ahead. On the farm with their wealth. So if you want to build real wealth, forget looking rich. Focus on being rich. Pay yourself first. One of the simplest tricks millionaires use is called paying yourself first. The moment they get paid, they automatically put a portion into savings or investments before paying any bills or spending on anything else. This builds wealth without even thinking about it. Tweak the 50-30-20 rule. You might have heard of the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. But millionaires often tweak it. They flip it to save even more. For example, 50% for needs, 20% for wants, and 30% or more for savings and investments. Small changes like this make a huge difference over time. Invest the difference. Finally, they always invest the difference. Instead of leaving extra money sitting in a low-interest savings account, they invest it in stocks, real estate, or their own businesses, making money work for them. That's how they build generational wealth. Want to see this in action? Try using a simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a Google Sheet. Millionaires love tools that make money management easy and automatic. I'll leave a free template link in the description. Grab it and start tracking your own budget like a millionaire today. Let's look at a real example. Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest people, still lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. He drives a regular car and eats cheap fast food. Or take the story of Ronald Reed, a janitor who lived simply, saved consistently, and quietly invested. When he passed away, he left behind an $8 million fortune. These stories prove that it's not about how much you earn. It's about how smart you are with every dollar. So now you know the secret. Millionaires don't just make money, they keep it by budgeting wisely and saving smarter. Which one of these millionaire habits will you spending? Try this week. Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more money and wealth building tips, and I'll see you in the next one.